Welcome to the Two-Tier Cookware Organizer installation video. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and a tape measure. In your box, you'll find the following parts: upper slide shelf, lower slide shelf, U-shaped brackets, dividers, handlebars. The unit's size will determine the number of included dividers and handlebars. Number 8 by 3/4 inch truss head screws, M4 by 8 flathead screws, number 8 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. First, measure your cabinet's width, height, and depth in order to ensure the shelves will fit inside and clearly pull out without interference. Next, remove the slides from the lower slide shelf by pressing the black release triggers. Attach the bottom shelf slides to the bottom hole locations of the U-shaped support brackets using the M4 by 8 flathead screws. Start with the circular hole first, then proceed to the slotted hole. Install the U-shaped brackets in the front and middle position, not the front and rear position. Your product will not work in this position. Now remove the slides from the upper slide shelf. Attach the top basket slides to one of the 3 height options on the U-shaped bracket using the M4 by 8 flathead screws. As before, start with the circular hole first. Place the slide assembly into your cabinet and move the unit to the opposite side of your cabinet hinges to prevent interference. For face frame applications, place the front of the slide 1/4 inch back from the opening. Measure the frame to ensure it is completely square with the cabinet. It is important that the frame is in alignment so your shelves will slide freely in and out. Pre-drill the side hole location using the 3/32 inch bit. You only install on one side and not both. Next, pre-drill the 4 hole locations at the base of the frame. Secure the side of the frame to the face frame using the number 8 by 1/2 inch panhead screw. Attach the frame to the cabinet door using the larger number 8 by 3/4 inch truss head screws. For frameless applications, secure the frame assembly directly to the side wall. There is a hole midway down the U-shaped support bracket. Pre-drill and secure using the number 8 by 1/2 inch panhead screw. Now back to face frame applications. Push the 2 rear metal sockets to the rear of the cabinet. To ensure optimal performance, align the rear sockets. Once flush with the back wall, pre-drill holes in each socket. Secure using the number 8 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. Be sure the runners are in the forward position and carefully re-engage the shelves with the slides. Do not force the shelves into the slides. To remove the shelves, press the clips on opposite sides to disengage. Attach the wire dividers and the handlebar to the lower shelf. Adjust to accommodate your cookware. If your shelves do not freely slide in and out, that most likely means they are not aligned properly. Make sure the frame is square with the cabinet opening and the slides are parallel with the side wall. An optional door mount kit, sold separately, is designed to work with all cookware organizers. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.